Morning guys, April 7, 2023. This one here I got a call from an older lady I've worked for a few times, and she's got a problem with a toilet making noise, and also she got a problem with her boiler, I guess, needs service. It's been a year or so since I've been over there, so yeah, she's panicking about the toilet, so we'll have to go by and see what she's talking about. We'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. I'm not going too fast, you're alright. Let's put this somewhere so we don't break it on the floor.
And we only have one bathroom, so it's scary.
So you're saying it's making, could it be a new hearing aids or no? You're not sure?
You know, it's about 3.5 years old, this toilet. Just before a year or so before you put my air conditioner in.
It's, did they shut the water off anywhere? Did they work on what might have happened? And if they're working in the street and they shut the water off and there's air in the lines, that might have been what the noise was.
Oh.
Because I didn't hear nothing. We're going to flush it a few...
Yeah, they might have been. I think they were down near the town hall about a week or so ago.
Okay, so that's one. Let's do it again.
But I flushed it to test it before you came.
Yeah.
And it goes, ooh, and then I heard it snap. The snapping's been going on about 6 months.
Yeah, I don't hear no snapping going on. You hear snapping going on now when I flushed it, right now?
No.
Okay.
Did you?
I did not, no.
No. It doesn't happen every time, that's the problem, so I didn't call you right away, see?
See, I gotta do is I gotta hear it, because if not, I'm just guessing.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Sure. I just want to make sure we'll be able to use it, you know?
Everything seems fine to me.
Okay.
It might
so
just...
that howling, will that go away?
That howling is normal. That right there, that howling, that's normal. I mean, I can slow the flow down.
It started, like I said, if it's normal, it never did it before, so it's...
I can slow the flow down a little bit if you want.
And he heard it too, he said it's doing it when I flush. But it doesn't do it every time.
That's 4. I slowed the flow down of water going in, so it's not going to be as rumbly.
I understand.
Slow it down a little bit.
Okay, I
so
understand.
It won't howl on you.
I never heard a toilet howl before.
Unless it was, you know, an owl outside howling. Is that possible? No? No owls out here in the trees making noise? Alright, this is number 5.
Well, his office is on the other side. And when I used it a minute ago, he said, wow, I heard it, and it was loud. You know, sometimes when your cell phone goes off, and it makes that loud noise?
After you flush it? After you flush it? When you first flush it?
When I flush it, as it begins to, you hear,
yeah, so I slowed it down a little bit, the water flow going into it, and I think that's going to take care of it. But let's put the cover on it and try it again, okay? Alright, the cover's on it again. Let's see.
Did I just see dirt on that side?
I don't know. Did you see dirt?
Tell me what I can take that off with after you go.
Oh, you just don't want to break it, because if you drop it, it's gonna break.
No sound.
Yeah, well, it's probably just needed an adjustment on the shut off. I don't hear it howling. Yeah,
okay.
I'm not gonna sell you something you don't need.
I'm a little too old to have to go to the bathroom outside. I'm sorry. Can I take this off after and clean that?
I'll take it off right now. You want to clean it?
Just tell me how to clean it. This.
No, that's not dirty. That's just the way it is.
That's the thing.
It's the back of it. The back of it's not no porcelain. Yeah.
And I'm afraid to.
All right. There's nothing wrong with that thing. I mean, it's fine. Okay.
Fine. Yeah.
All right. So let's do the. You're gonna open up the bulkhead for me.
Tell me what to do about the heater.
All right, let's take a look.
Open the bulkhead.
I'm gonna check that filter. We're gonna put a new nozzle on this thing. Overhead oil line. We're gonna have to pull a good oil. Yeah. The last time I was here, I think I changed this feeder. There's my tag. Place water feeder backflow combo purge. I don't think I did a burner nozzle on it. Let's see what this filter looks like. I don't think last time I was here I didn't do a cleaning on it. I don't think I did. Filter looks fine. Filter looks fine. Nothing wrong with that. So you don't need a filter. Bleed it here. I'm not gonna sell her something she don't need. Retired woman. I won't do it anyway. Don't need it, I won't change it. Period. Bleed it here. And then we could open this and it'll be ready to go. We'll check the nozzle. Yeah, she's bled. That's fine. So, this is a newer burner. It's got a restrictor plate in here. Doesn't look like there's any pressure in the boiler. Yeah, that feed is stuck. Let's see what we're running this thing for a nozzle. It looks clean. It was just put in not that long ago. You can see it's got a mark on it where that thing goes. Look at it. It looks brand new. It's clean. Burning clean. Leave it alone. That's fine. I might have changed the nozzle last year on this thing. It's running clean, leave it alone. Doesn't look like there's any pressure on the thing, I don't know. Tradicator's not working. I wonder what they they got there? Just one zone. They got one zone. I got pressure on the boiler. Try to keep it's probably not working. She's gonna turn up the thermostat. They're filling it with oil. I should hear that whistle stop. There you go. That's cool. There's nothing wrong with it, it's fine.